couple of things that definitely could be a concern. One, if there's a vulnerability on that device, I mean, we've seen light bulbs used in widespread DDoS attacks. That's just one example of how a simple IoT device that no one would ever expect would be a threat could become part of a much larger scale attack. There's a possibility that if there's a flaw on that device, could somebody remotely force that device into a state where the heating elements are turned on and left on, and could it start a fire? Could it, there's a variety of ways that devices like that could be used against us. There was a recent medical related kind of IoT device. These robots are in hospitals, and they're able to, kind of move around and assist the staff in doing a variety of things, whether it's, bringing the things they need to work with a patient, or delivering something to a lab or something along those lines. A set of vulnerabilities were discovered in those that made it so that somebody could listen to the conversations that device was in proximity of. Those devices could be forced to stop. They were large enough where they could block a doorway. In a medical facility, blocking a critical doorway and forcing that device to, basically lock itself up and be a barrier could be detrimental at times as well. So each of those types of devices, no matter how benign it may seem, pose potential risks to the environment. And that's where, again, Discovery in this case found a device that should be there, but could be segmented out because, it's something that, hey, it's not manageable from a, can you patch it? Well, not really. It might have some firmware updates, but it's something that you're not going to take that level of management on. Segment those away, but make sure that you understand what's in your environment and what can be used against you.